One of the most beautiful places in the world is the Patagonia, Argentina. Today we are arriving on the penguins colony. Punta Tombo is a peninsula into the Atlantic Ocean in the south of Trelew in Chubut province, Argentina, where there is a large colony of Magellanic penguins, the largest such colony in Argentina. Punta Tombo Provincial Reserve has been protected since 1979, according to a provincial decree, and it is one of the main tourist attractions in Chubut. Punta Tombo is part of the new Marine National Park at Golfo San Jorge. A variety of wildlife can be seen in the area, including a colony of Magellanic penguins, other seabirds, mainly gulls and cormorants, rheas and guanacos. The Magellanic penguin colony at Punta Tombo is exposed to overfishing of prey species and oil spills, many of which go unreported. One such spill in August 1991 claimed the lives of at least 16,000 Magellanic penguins, some of which made landfall at Punta Tombo in an oiled condition. The spill coincided with the population's breeding migration. More penguins were expected to have died at sea. The colony's population exceeded 1 million birds in 2017, over 1 million birds were present at the colony. The first penguins arrive in September and stay until mid-March. But the greatest spectacle is from November, when the young are born. One of the great attractions of this reserve is that you can see these touching animals up close. There is only one requirement. You must never disturb or touch the birds. It should not be forgotten that one is inside a reserve, a special site dedicated to preserving its natural habitat and protecting and conserving fauna. In addition, although penguins are harmless under normal conditions, when they feel threatened, they defend themselves with their beak, which is very strong and sharp. The colony's population exceeded 1 million birds in 2017, over 1 million birds were present at the colony. Penguin families are generally found under the bushes, but they also walk everywhere, in a constant coming and going between the sea and the nests, to look for food and get it to the chicks. Throughout the tour, there are signs in Spanish and English that guide and give specifications of the characteristics of the penguins. Penguins at Punta Tombo play a vital role in the local ecosystem, and it's our responsibility to ensure their habitat remains safe. Unfortunately, these penguins face threats from climate change, pollution, and human disturbance. That's why conservation efforts are so critical. Here at Punta Tombo, strict guidelines protect both the penguins and their habitat. Visitors are encouraged to admire these animals from a safe distance, ensuring that their natural behaviors aren't disrupted. Maintaining the cleanliness of this environment and minimizing human impact helps preserve the delicate balance of life here. Every piece of litter removed, every step taken with care, contributes to the penguins' future. The sight of penguin chicks hatching and taking their first steps is one of nature's most beautiful moments. These penguins, after surviving long migrations, deserve our protection and respect. By visiting Punta Tombo responsibly, we not only enjoy an unforgettable experience, but we also support the ongoing efforts to protect one of Argentina's most beloved species. Together, we can ensure that generations to come will continue to witness the incredible journey of these penguins. Punta Tombo is more than just a sanctuary for penguins. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving the natural world for all living beings. Let's do our part to protect it. At Punta Tombo, Ife unfolds in harmony with the seasons. From the moment they arrive, the penguins begin their work, digging burrows, laying eggs, and raising their chicks. It's a cycle that's been repeated for millennia, a testament to the strength and perseverance of these birds. For those lucky enough to visit, the experience is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Seeing these penguins up close, in their natural environment, is a reminder of the beauty that exists beyond the cities and the noise of modern life. Here, in the silence of Patagonia, nature speaks. And as they glide through the waters and return to the land, there's a certain majesty in their simplicity, a balance between strength and fragility. These penguins, once vulnerable in the open sea, are now home, where they find both refuge and purpose. The sight of a parent feeding its chick, the young penguins taking their first steps, reminds us that life here is both delicate and profound. The survival of these creatures depends not just on their instinct, but also on the protection of this precious environment. As the sun sets over Punta Tombo, casting a golden glow across the land, the sight of these penguins continues to inspire. They are a symbol of endurance, of nature's perfect design, and of the connection we all share with the world around us. To see the penguins of Punta Tombo is to witness nature at its most majestic. It's a reminder of the wonders that exist in our world, and the responsibility we all carry to protect them. As you stand on the rugged coastline of Punta Tombo, the first thing that strikes you is the endless blue of the Atlantic Ocean. Stretching as far as the eye can see, this breathtaking view is more than just a scenic backdrop. It's a gateway to one of nature's most remarkable journeys. Every year, thousands of Magellanic penguins make their way back to these shores. After months at sea, they return to Punta Tombo's coastline, drawn by the rhythm of nature and the instinct to nest and raise their young. From here, you can watch as the penguins emerge from the surf, a truly mesmerizing sight. The contrast between the bright blue waters and the black and white penguins feels almost surreal. This moment, where the ocean meets the land, is where life begins anew for the Magellanic penguins. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoy it, like and comment, so we can continue creating new content for you. See you soon.